You get, oh yes. You get one pencil. Butang yan inside. Yes, very good. Okay, one more. Ay, you get a pencil. Oh, one lang. One pencil per plastic lang. Na, one lang. How many pencils there? One? Okay. Yeah, place it here. You get another one. Show Papo your Mickey, be. Bye-bye, Papo, be. Bye-bye, Pap. Yeah. Like this. Si Payayo. Yeah, thank you. Butang bubon. That one, that's your toy. Pencil lang, okay. Thank you. One pencil only. You get another one. Butang. Ah.
Morel is hacked by J.R. Reyes. Was young people up on the seat, liking the way people Morel attacked the defense of J.R. Reyes.
Open.
Second foul on J.R. Reyes as William Morel through to the line looking to extend this lead.
One only. One pencil. One lang, ha? Very good. One lang, ha?
14.
Bibi, only one.
Because of that fine third quarter that we never
No.
able to match it,
Okay, playing kiss na lang, Bi.
6-15.
Okay, bye-bye. We show your bubong, Bi. Where's your bubong?
Dito sa ating laro. And Paulo Bugila, he has reported for his time here for Rainer time. This is for what